Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. How about you join the Crownz squad by hitting the subscribe button and hitting the bell next to it so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And for my returning subscribers, welcome. I'm always glad that you're here. So if you want to get the tea on this unit right here, how about you stay tuned?
It's a bad man tonight. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Alright guys, so the wig that I'm gonna be reviewing today is the Neesha 203. And now the Neesha collection from Outre been around for a hot minute now. They had the OG Neesha, and then they brought it back, new and improved, and now this year they have the Neesha Gray. So all the colors, they have gray colors to it now, which is interesting. So this is high heat resistant fiber. It has a natural texture and volume. It's pre-plucked HD transparent lace, and it's ear to ear. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees, and the color that I got is FF Misty Smoke Gray, and I got it from Elevate Style for $32.99. and this is what she looks like. It has that silver-ish gray highlights, and then I don't know how this is gonna look on me, y'all. But she is, so far, I'm not getting any shedding. I was getting a few strands when I took her out. So I'm getting few strands, just a little bit. But for cap construction, it comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. And the lace is it's a very stretchy material for the cap, and that's the parting space, which is not bad. But I'm gonna put her on so we can see how she looks like. Okay, so this is what she looks like straight out of the box, and that's the hairline. Does this look HD to me? I don't think so. It would be interesting trying to lay her down, but the lace is very ear to ear, and it comes down very nicely. I like it. I don't think I've ever reviewed 203 on my channel before, but after this I'm definitely gonna get her in a natural color, because I love the texture. Like in this color though, like surprisingly I like it. Oh my gosh, like I can't, it is so smooth, and I'm just getting few strands. I like it, y'all. I didn't think I was gonna like it because it's gray. Like who wears gray hair besides old people? I'm kidding. But y'all, like this color, and with my makeup and everything, it is just coming together. I like it. So stay tuned for the meltdown.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need stop the clock and rewind. Go back to that moment in time. When you say you want me for life, was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you, I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love.
Okay guys, so this is what Neesha 203, Neesha Gray 203 looks like after I finesse her. And look at that parting space and the lace. I melted her down and I added a little bit of black eyeshadow powder just so I can give it that nice gradient stuff, because with it straight out of the box with the gray all over, it was just looking a little too suspect, okay, a little wiggy. That's the word I'm looking for. But I love the texture. I don't have any cons. Do I have any cons? No, I don't. I don't. I love it. I love it. Even with the little cutting I did try to pull extra layers. I'm still just getting few strands, which is amazing because this is a synthetic unit, y'all. It was color. To be like, you just imagine the process they had to go through to get to this color, and I'm getting few strands of shedding. Bravo, bravo, Outre. I just realized that I've been saying Outre wrong all this time. I've been saying Outre, Outre, potato, tomato. But I love the color, and y'all, I told we're friends. Why didn't y'all tell me about Neesha 203? Huh? I almost said a bad word, but we don't curse on this channel. But I need to get her in the natural color. I love this color. Surprise! I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see what she looks like all around.
I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. No.
Y'all, what do you think? Let's talk about Neesha Gray 203 in the comment section, and make sure you're following me on Instagram at LoveYourCrownz, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
It's a bad man.